Welcome to Bike Shift. In today's deep dive feature, we explore one of the most mysterious and ambitious military aviation projects in the world, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41. Often referred to as the future of Russian air dominance, this next-generation interceptor is designed to replace the legendary MiG-31 and push the boundaries of speed, stealth, and advanced combat technology. The MiG-41, also known as PAC-DP, Prospective Aviation Complex for Long-Range Interception, is being developed by Mikoyan, a company with a historic legacy of high-performance fighter jets. Unlike conventional multi-role fighters, the MiG-41 is expected to focus primarily on long-range interception, capable of defending vast airspaces and neutralizing high-speed aerial and space-based threats. This aircraft is rumored to be part of the sixth-generation fighter category, incorporating cutting-edge avionics, artificial intelligence integration, and possibly optional unmanned capabilities. One of the most talked-about aspects of the MiG-41 is its projected speed. Reports suggest it could reach speeds of Mach 4 or even higher, making it one of the fastest combat aircraft ever built. For comparison, the MiG-31 currently holds the title as one of the fastest operational jets in the world, with a top speed of Mach 2.83. The MiG-41 is expected to operate at extremely high altitudes, possibly even near space levels, giving it a strategic advantage in intercepting hypersonic missiles and reconnaissance platforms. The MiG-41 is rumored to feature advanced radar systems with enhanced detection range, stealth characteristics to reduce radar cross-section, and next-generation electronic warfare capabilities. Artificial intelligence may assist pilots in decision-making, target tracking, and threat analysis. Weapon systems are expected to include long-range air-to-air missiles, anti-satellite capabilities, and potentially hypersonic weapons. This would allow the MiG-41 to engage both atmospheric and near-space targets, redefining aerial combat strategy. In an era where hypersonic missiles and space-based surveillance systems are rapidly evolving, the MiG-41 is designed to counter emerging threats. Its ability to patrol massive territories quickly makes it particularly valuable for a country with extensive borders. Replacing the aging MiG-31 fleet, this aircraft represents Russia's commitment to maintaining aerial superiority in the coming decades. While much of the project remains classified, the MiG-41 continues to generate global interest among defense analysts and aviation enthusiasts alike. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 stands as a symbol of futuristic military innovation. With rumored Mach 4 speeds, advanced AI integration, and near-space operational capabilities, it promises to redefine the interceptor category. Whether all these ambitious goals will be realized remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the MiG-41 is a project the world is watching closely. Stay connected with Bike Shift for more powerful insights into next-generation machines and groundbreaking technology.